Short form content has taken over the world. Just recently, YouTube has implemented monetization for YouTube Shorts, and Shorts will only get better from here. So today I'll be showing you how to make money by creating short form content with AI. So why do you want to use AI to create short form content? It is efficient with cost and time, and it can pump out a lot of content within a small time frame. And of course, with quantity comes with lower quality, but that's not an issue here. Short form content like this is blowing all over YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok, and it is one of the fastest growing niches. The key thing here is to find a video of a speaker, and you're gonna focus the entire TikTok on what the speaker says. The process is very simple. We're gonna find a video on YouTube, upload it to the AI software GetMunch, and after it's done processing, we're gonna upload the processed videos onto TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. We can monetize this by setting up affiliate links, merchandise, coaching, taking in promotions. The ideas are pretty endless once you have a following set up. The first step you have to take is find videos where you can take clips from. So for this example, I'm gonna search up Jordan Peterson. He's a really well-known speaker, and you can see that try to find his podcast or some videos of him speaking, or let's say Joe Rogan podcast. We can try him as well. I know he has a podcast going and he has a ton of content for us to take clips from. For my video, I personally chose a video from the Logan Paul podcast, this video specifically, and after I found the video, what I did was I just loaded it into Munch, and it took around 2 hours to finish clipping the entire video since it was so long, but this is the end result. You get around 50 clips of worth of content, and I'm gonna click on one of them and show you what it's like.
How excited are you for WrestleMania? Ooh. This is a big one, Cody. I know you know, but I've been hearing rumors about just the gate alone. Prior to last night, any fights being announced, and it's like gearing up to be one of the biggest WrestleManias ever in Los Angeles on April 1st, which by the way is my birthday.
And you were pointing at that sign.
I thought it was gonna be me.
So I knew we were. I was like, the show's clearly in.
So that is the entire video here, and what you can also do is edit the video here. You can turn off subtitles if you don't want them, and there's also aspect ratio, autofocus. There's a lot of things that you can edit here. After you create the clips, you can post them on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube as short form content. If you do not want to do this manually, you can use social media scheduling apps like Buffer, Layer, and Hootsuite to schedule the posts on all 3 platforms at once, and you can schedule them ahead of time. And my final piece of advice to get better results is you can use the AI as a tool to find and separate clips in a video. You can then edit it yourself or hire your own editor, adding your own subtitles and edits to the video. I personally recommend this method because adding personal touch to the content will always make it better than just simply all AI generated. If you're interested in making money, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and most importantly, take action right away. See you guys in the next video.